Another differential equation, in this example y prime equals 2x over e to the power of y with y of 0 equal to 5. We start by separating the variables. So y prime equals 2x over e to the power of y would be equivalent to, here we have di over dx equals 2x over e to the power of y. That is supposed to be a y, is equivalent to move dx to one side, e to the power of y to the other side. We have e to the power of yd equals 2. X dx is equivalent to, now we integrate e to the power of yd from 5 to y, and here we integrate from 0 to x. For 2x dx, now we need the antiderivative. These are all corresponding terms. E to the power of y is e to the power of y, all of that from 5 to y. Here we have x squared from 0 to x, that would be equivalent to e to the power of y minus e to the power of 5, and here accordingly. X squared, plugging in 0 gives 0. Now we want to solve for y, move the e to the power of 5 to the other side. E to the power of y is then equal to x squared plus e to the power of 5. And now, accordingly, we need to solve for y. What do we need for that? The natural logarithm. And with that, we arrive at the particular solution for y. Equals ln of x squared plus e to the power of 5. If you also need to specify the domain ln, what's inside here has to be greater than 0. And that's the case for all real numbers. We see here x squared and e to the power of 5 are positive either way. Another practice problem, and with enough practice problems, hopefully over time you'll recognize the math vocabulary and be in the clear.